The Honda HS520, one of the best snow blowers you can get on the market for your property. I haven't used this in, can't tell you, maybe the second season. So I am going to put some gas in, get it started because we're going to be using it. I cleaned it up, it was all dirty. Fill it up and get it going. I don't need a lot of gas, just enough gas to get me there. That maybe be a half an hour to an hour. Close it nice and tight, put this away. Over here, this is your choke. I go about halfway in. This is my gas line on. And this is to start it up. The pull string, spark plugs in there. I'm all set to go. How many pulls is gonna take? How many licks to the Tootsie Roll Pop Center? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and on to 5, 6, 7. It's just gonna take time to start. All right, keep on cranking. Here we go. We're ready to go. Put it away. And when it starts to snow, we're gonna have some fun. So everything here works, spins, turns, all greased up and ready to go. Let's get on going. Where the bad boy sits, just enough room to bring it on out and do the shoveling.